YouTube, what is good? Is Ribs here from Ribs Doing Film Things. Every single week I post videos about film photography, so if that's your thing, definitely go ahead and subscribe. This week we're talking about nighttime photography. Because of the social distancing stuff, I basically only go out during the day for a bit of exercise. However, the other day I decided to go out at night instead. At night, assumedly there'd be nobody in the streets given the fact that there's nothing to do, so I figured let's go out, shoot some Cinestill 800 and see what it looks like out there. I decided to make things really simple because I wanted to just be kind of run and gun. So I brought my Canon 300V since it has fully automatic controls. On it, at first I started with the 50mm lens and then I switched to a long lens, 100 to 300 lens. And then I decided, you know what, let's just go with the 17 to 40 lens since that's the most versatile and I'd probably be shooting wider shots anyways in the streets. The whole shoot I decided to do on a tripod given that it'd be nighttime. I wasn't gonna be shooting with a super fast lens and therefore I figured put the camera on a tripod and do maybe 1 to 2 second exposures depending on the lighting scene. All right, let's go check it out. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So I'm about to head outside to take some pics with the Cinestill, but before I do, I'm gonna hit up my balcony here. You can see I got a nice little view behind me. Basically, I'm gonna just pop up a couple shots and see if anything looks pretty cool on the Cinestill here. Man, I don't remember the last time I went outside at night. This is wild. I go out once a day to do some exercise and hit the park, but it's always during the daytime. This is crazy. So it feels weird to be out here, but we'll see how many people I encounter. Hopefully nobody. Saw a really good shot that I wanted to take, but I had to take it blindly. There's a bunch of people causing ruckus and I don't know, it's just, I feel like I didn't really want to interact with them. So it kind of just popped up very quick. No tripod, put my camera on a trash can, took the shot. What do you think? When I put the Cinestill in the camera, I only got 12 shots. This roll was actually recycled from another camera, my Canon AF35, which died mid-roll too. So I went in the darkroom and took the roll out, cut it off, and then spared the rest of it so that I could put it in a new camera. So that's what I did with this one. That's why I only got 12 shots. Yo, taking pics at night has been kind of relaxing. There's nobody out here to bother me, nobody to look at me. A couple people get curious and they're like, wonder what that guy's doing. But generally, it doesn't really matter because there's nobody out here to say anything. Also, I never really photographed in this neighborhood at night just because, you know, I never really thought about it. But there's a lot of good lights and like neons and like all kinds of random stuff here. So I'm glad I came out even though I only have a few shots. I decided I want to do some light trails, see if we can get some buses out here driving by. You know, I've never done this with film, so figure why not now. All right, I'm down to my last photo here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get, but I'm just gonna walk home and hopefully I can find something at the end here. So I hope you all enjoyed that footage. It's definitely a bit strange to be out there at night since I don't really go out at night anymore, but very happy to have done this since I enjoyed the experience and I think I like the photos as well. Have any of you been out at nighttime during this coronavirus period? Let me know how those experiences have been. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave me a like. I'd greatly appreciate that. And as always, please subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I'll check in back with you on the next video. Peace out.